Tailors, stop guessing. Here's a video on how to read a measuring tape the right way. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to read a measuring tape the right way, how to understand the lines on a measuring tape. This video is perfect for beginners, DIY lovers, fashion designers, and anyone working with measurements. So if this sounds like what you're interested in learning, then keep watching. I'm Teacher Catherine. If you count all the lines till you get to this longest one that round up to 1 inch, there are 8 lines. Within this 1 inch, there are 4 quarters that make up 1 inch. This first long line is the first quarter. This line that is the half inch is the second quarter. This is the third quarter, and this is the fourth quarter that make up 1 inch. Now let me explain what I just said. Let's write the lines out now. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and 8/8. You know that there are 8 lines. So these are the 8 lines that make up the 1 inch. So now we're going to divide them by 2. 2 is an even number, so let's divide them by 2. 2 cannot divide 1. 2 cannot divide 1, so you leave it like that. It will remain as 1/8. Then this 2/8. So this first line on your measuring tape is 1/8. That is how you just leave it like that, as 1/8. You don't do anything to it. Then this 2/8, 2 can divide 2. If 2 divide 2 to give us 1. If 2 divide 8 to give us 4. So that is 1/4. And if it's over 4, it's quarter. If it's over 4, it's quarter. And so this 1/4 now means 1/4, or you can call it the first quarter, or 1/4. You can call it first quarter, or you call it 1/4. There are 4 quarters that make up 1 inch. So this is just the first quarter. That is what this means. This is just the first quarter. If you look at the measuring tape, you will see that this is the one that you call quarter. Look at it. This is 1/8. This is quarter. You understand now? Okay. 2 cannot divide 3. This is the third line on the tape now. 2 cannot divide 3. So you leave it as 3/8. 2 can divide 4. If 2 divide 4, it will give us 2. 2 divide 8 to give us 4. This is 2/8. 2/4. I told you if it's over 4 is quarter. So this is another quarter. This is the second quarter, or you call it 2/4. This is the second quarter now. And quarter plus quarter give us half inch. If you check your measuring tape, the fourth line is half inch. Look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth line is half inch. So quarter plus quarter give us half inch. That is 2/4. Because 2 can still divide 2. So let's do it. Divide it. 2 divide 4, 2. 1/2. Have you seen now that is half inch? This is 5/8. 2 cannot divide it, so you leave it like that. It remains as 5/8. You don't do anything to it. Then this 6/8. This 2 divide 6, 3. 2 divide 8, 4. 3/4. So this is the third quarter. That is the one you call 3/4. If you check your measuring tape now, this is the third quarter. Half inch plus another quarter, that is the third quarter. Let us check it in the measuring tape. So this is it. So this is the sixth line. This is the first quarter. Second quarter, that is half inch. Then the sixth line, that is the third quarter. That is half and quarter. That is the one you call half and quarter, or you call it 3/4. Line 2 cannot divide 7, so you leave it as 7/8. It remains 7/8. You don't do anything to it. So the last line, 2 can divide 8 to give us 4. 2 can divide 8 to give us 4. So this is 4/4. This is the fourth quarter. So I told you that 4 quarters make up 1 inch. So this is the fourth quarter. 2 can still divide 4 again to give us 2. 2 can still divide 4 to give us 2. And because 2 can still go again, you still go ahead and divide it again. 1. 2 divide 2, 1. 1 divide 1, 1. So have you not seen that it is 1 inch? So if you are taking a measurement for something and let's say for example 3, and the measurement fall in this first line, so you write that measurement as 3 1/8. If it fall in the second line, you write it as 3 quarter, or 3 1/4, or 3 first quarter. Anyhow you want to write it, anyhow you understand it. If it falls in the third line, you write it as 3/8. No big work, no much work there. Then if it falls in the fourth line, you write it as 3.5. I told you quarter plus quarter give us half inch, so you write it as 3.5. If it falls in the fifth line, you write it as 3/5/8. If it falls in the sixth line, 3.5 or you write it 3.75. If it falls in the seventh line, 3/7/8. And if it falls in this longest line, you know that the next figure is 4, so that is 4 inch. And that is how you read the entire tape measure. I'm going to teach you how to read your measuring tape in decimals. For example, you have a hip measurement of 39. I did a calculation here. I'm going to explain. You have a hip measurement of 39.5. That's 39.5. If you divide it by 4, you know you divide round body measurements by 4. If you divide it by 4, you will have 9.875. That's what your calculator will give to you. This is the figure your calculator will give to you. So because you have 9.875 now, you don't know how to read 9.875 on the calculator. You just go ahead and sum it up to the nearest figure. Maybe round it up to 10. No, that is wrong. That's not how to read a measuring tape. If you do it like that, let me show you what you have just done. If you do it like that, you round it up to the nearest figure. If you minus that 10 that you round up this measurement to now, if you minus it from this, if you minus this 9.875 from it, you will have 0.125. That's what you have. And you know you divided the measurement by 4. So multiply this 0.125 now by times 4. You have 0.5. That is a whole half inch. That means you have added a whole half inch to your measurements. By the time you make this cloth, it will be half inch bigger than the normal size that it's supposed to be. That is what it means. So in our next video, I'll teach you how to read your measuring tape in decimals. So with this, we have come to the end of this video. In the next video, I'm going to teach you how to read your tape in decimals. So you're no longer going to be rounding up your measurements to the nearest figure that you see there, because you don't know how to read your tape in decimals. That's what I'm going to be doing in the next video. If you like to learn, please follow me, like, and drop your comments. I want to hear from you. Talk to me, guys. Talk to me. See you in the next video. Bye.